Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at a Ferocious Dragon stained glass diamond painting kit that I bought on Amazon in November 2023. This is a colorful, not too scary dragon with fun, bright colors. The pattern. I bought this full round diamond painting kit for $7.98 on Amazon from Lxmsja on November 11th, 2023, and it arrived 3 days later. Unfortunately, as of October 2024, it is currently unavailable. The kit is 11.8 by 15.7 inches, or 30 by 40 centimeters. It has 26 bright colors, and the DMC colors are listed in the legend. The symbols are clear and easy to read. The code WX3658 is listed at the top. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. There was a lot of color changing to bring out the dragon's detail, but it didn't seem like confetti. The vivid colors were fun to work with, and the picture came out looking vibrant. At just under 12 by 16 inches, it took me about 29 hours to complete. I worked on it over a 2-week period in June of 2024. If I didn't have to work and I didn't have other things to do, I would have worked on it straight through. I enjoyed every diamond I placed. The picture isn't too feminine or masculine, and it is just the right amount of fun, scary, so it could be a great gift for any dragon lover. I loved working on this ferocious dragon, and I would recommend it when it becomes available again. The company Lxmsja on Amazon has a great selection of other dragon diamond painting kits and a whole range of art, landscape, floral, animal, and other diamond painting kits. And I will definitely be doing more diamond painting kits from this company. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.